Hello, my name's Jerry McSparron. I'm the owner of JMAC Engine Shop, and this is another one of my engine completion videos. Today it's a beautiful sunny day in central Illinois with a temperature of -5 degrees. So it's a bit chilly out. This is December the 23rd of 2022. Today I want to talk about this 1500 engine. It is engine number FP42270UE. This is originally out of an MG Midget 1500, but will fit exactly in a Triumph Spitfire 1500. It's the same engine. They put different numbers on them because of what car it was going in. So anyway, it's been completely rebuilt. The bottom end has been all torn apart, and the crankshaft's been magnafluxed and balanced, and we have new bearings, new tapettes, new timing chain. It's a dual timing chain, and dual springs. I did build this with all the performance upgrades. It has flat top pistons and a 270 duration cam, and I took 110 thousandths off of the head. Should give you about 9.5 to 1 compression. And I also drill out the center oil gallery, which is something that I'm getting to be known for, even though that wasn't my idea, and that came from somebody else, but it's a good idea, and it has been working well for us. So anyway, it's got the new rocker shaft, and the valves have been ground, and like I said, all new springs and valve guides, and so it's this is like a like new engine, and it runs like it. And so I'm going to fire it up here in a minute. Compression numbers across the board were 175 to 185. Those will even up some, and should even get a little bit better after it's broke in. I probably ran this 15 or 20 minutes less than I usually do because of how cold it is out, and it tends to drop the temperature in my shop. But we'll fire it up here and let you listen to it run, and show you the compression, and we'll run it a little bit, or the oil pressure, and then we'll shut the video down. So I gotta open the garage door here to get a little bit of ventilation. And we'll scoot it up so we can, there we go. Now I think we can fire it up. There's the fuel pump. All right, so there you have it. And this engine's for sale. If you're interested, go to jmacengineshop.com, or give me a call, or send an inquiry through my website, and I'll be glad to give you more information about it. Thanks for watching.